Alright, here is page 2 of the Unit B review. Number 4 says which line has a slope of 2/3. So we're looking for a line that goes up 2 and right 3. And let's see, looks like we might be on line D, up 2, right 3. Line is that what that word says, line D. Alright, so this is at what point do lines D and B intersect? So we're going to have line D and line B, and it looks like they intersect at the point 3, 0. Identify the line that has an x-intercept at 4. So we want to find where we're going to intercept the x-axis. Here's our x-axis, and here's our point 4. Looks like line A. So line A. Which line intersects at the origin? So here's the origin. It's clearly line C. Line C. Alright, number 8. Find the x and y intercept of the following lines. Express the intercept as an ordered pair. This is important. When you read this direction, you need to understand that you need to write this both x and y coordinates for the intercept. So I like to use what I call the cover-up method. So I'm gonna, if y is 0, then the y value goes away, and we get 3x equals 12. It doesn't really go away. If we have x is 0, then the only thing that's left is 4y equals 12. And this is how we're going to find our intercepts. So 3x equals 12, divide both sides by 3, and x equals 4. Remember we said y was 0. So our x-intercept is the point 4, 0. And then our y-intercept, we're going to solve for y and divide by 4. And y equals 3. Remember that was when x was 0. So our y-intercept is the point 0, 3. And now we're going to put it on a graph. So we have the point 0, 3. And we have the point 4, 0. And we're going to connect those 2 points with a straight line. Arrows on the end. And there we have it. Let's look at number 9. Similar process. We're going to imagine y isn't there, or when y is 0, we're left with 5x equals 15. Divide by 5, and x equals 3. Remember that was when y was 0, so we have the point 3, 0 for your x-intercept. And then for our y value, we're going to say, what if x was 0? You'd be left with negative 3y equals 15. Divide both sides by negative 3, and y equals negative 5. Remember this is when x is 0. So your y-intercept is the point 0, negative 5. Then to graph this, we're going to put our 2 points on it. 0, negative 5, and 3, 0 is what that's supposed to say. There's a lovely 0, and we're going to connect this with a line. And there you have it. It's finding x and y intercepts and graphing.